Hi, I'm Vanessa, and here at Encore Packaging, we offer both galvanized and phosphate buckles for 1/2 inch up to 1 1/4 inch wide strapping, as well as plastic buckles for 1/2 inch and 5/8 inch wide strapping. The advantage of wire buckles is that only a tensioner is needed during application, whereas seals, you would need a tensioner and a sealer. Galvanized wire buckles have a smooth, sometimes silver coating and are ideally paired with polypropylene, composite, or bonded cord strap. Phosphate wire buckles have a gritty texture and are typically paired with woven cord strap. Plastic buckles are only used with polypropylene strap. To load and tension a galvanized buckle with polypropylene strap, first, double check that the C is oriented correctly. There are 2 techniques to loading your strap. First is sliding both ends through the middle over the first prong and under the second. The second technique is to create a loop, slide it through the middle, and then to the side so it goes over the first prong. Once the buckle is situated, take a tensioner, in this case the EP1150, and push down on the handle to lift the gripper foot. Slide the bottom strap underneath and release the handle. Slide the top strap through the cutter housing and windlass and tension until the buckle collapses. A buckle is fully collapsed when the top prongs touch the bottom ones. Lastly, push down on the handle to cut the excess strap and slide your tool to the side to release. The same process is used when applying a phosphate buckle to woven cord strapping. The only difference is the EP1160 is used for tensioning. The specially designed teeth on the gripper foot will not shred woven cord. To load and tension a plastic buckle, first take one end of the strap and create a loop so the end faces out, slide it up and through the middle of the buckle and push the first prong in so that it is cut in the loop and pulled down. Do the same on the other side and hand tension as much as possible. Another option for tensioning is to use our EP1340 poly buckle tensioner. Again, these galvanized, phosphate, and plastic buckles are offered here at Encore Packaging. For more information on the buckles, the tensioners, and the type of strapping to use with them, please contact your nearest distributor. Thank you.